Hi, I'd just like to make an order, please.
Okay, hold on 1 second, okay?
Alright.
Victoria!
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 Fucking Victoria, dude.
Hi, this is Victoria. How can I help you?
Alright, I'd just like to make an order, please.
Okay, are we doing like a catering order, like platters, or are we just doing individual sandwiches?
Individual sandwiches.
Okay. Okay, and how many are we having?
10, please.
How many?
10?
We're doing 10 sandwiches?
Yes.
Okay. And what time do you need them by?
I'd say about, like, 4:30.
4:30?
Yeah.
Okay, are they all going to be the same, or are you doing them all different?
All the same.
All the same?
Yes.
Okay, what are they going to be?
They're gonna be, just like turkey sandwiches.
Foot longs or 6 inches?
Footlongs.
Okay, so foot long turkey. What kind of cheese?
American.
Okay, and what kind of bread are they on?
Flat.
On flatbread?
Yep.
Okay, with American cheese. Are they toasted?
Yes, please.
Okay, and what kind of veggies on them?
Just cucumbers.
Just cucumbers?
Yep.
Okay, any mayonnaise or mustard packets?
Mustard.
Just, you want mustard on the sandwiches, or do you want packets
Yeah, on
the
all
side?
of them. Mustard on all
Mustard
of them.
on the sandwiches?
Yes, please.
Okay, salt, pepper, oil, or vinegar?
Pepper.
Just pepper?
Yep.
Okay, anything else for you?
No, I think that's about it.
Okay, what was your name?
John?
John?
John.
Okay, we will have them ready for you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Bye. 10 freaking sandwiches, dude.
My god, 10 sandwiches.
Oh my god, that was the best.